If you are a woman and growing from here or hips, it will start reducing. If there is a hormonal balance, the hormones will be balanced, mood swings will go away, and you will feel very enthusiastic. Is okay with you?
Yeah.
Okay. Jeera powder 250 grams. This is my last. Is okay? Last. Jeera powder 250 grams. Ajwain powder 60 grams. Black salt 50 grams.
So say again,
Black salt.
Javan is 50.
Yeah, 50. Yeah. 50. Black salt and fennel, body soft. About 100 grams. 100 grams fennel. Yeah. Ajwain I said, no? Ajwain. Black salt. 100 grams of jeera. Jeera means cumin. Ajwain 50 grams. And hing 10 grams. Hing 10 grams. Yes, hing 10 grams. And you mix everything and make it 60 packets. How many?
60
60 packets. 4 packets a day. 4 packets a day. 4 packets a day. One in the morning, one in the afternoon, one in the evening, one at night. Put it into 1 glass of water, soak it for 1 hour, stir it, and then drink it. Also, there is a formula, Be Slim formula. Just write down if you want, your choice. Let me share with you some very powerful secret marma. How to improve your memory by 10% to 600%. Because my master was 115 years young. He had a good memory till 125. And one day I was in India. No, I was in America. And my brother called me. My mother had 2 problems. My mother had big arthritis, I told you. And she was Kathiawadi. How many of you are Kathiawadi? Then my mother says, I have to eat dahi, I have to eat chas, and I have to eat kadhi. Am I right?
Yeah.
But she was not in Kathiawadi, she was in Bombay. Full of humid climate. So she started bloating. The legs were swelling too much, cannot walk, cannot move, all those things. So this is 36 years ago. So I told my master, if I can't help my mother, how can I help anybody? He says, yes, first you help your mother. Now my mother had decided, it's not he decided, like all Indian family, husband decides. So my father decided she will go for knee replacement and hip replacement. So everything was decided. I go to my mother. Now I'm going to share with you some very powerful secrets which will change your life forever. Because it has got many wisdom which I told you, and the new wisdom I'm going to share with you. So I went to my mother and I asked her, so take your right hand up like this, and I told her, and I pressed this marma. 1, you can press this marma. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Salila ji, right hand. Indian right hand. So sometimes you are driving your car right hand.
Yes.
In India you are driving left hand, so you make. I'm just kidding. Sorry.
Your index finger 6 times.
Yeah. And then this is the question. Mummy, what do you want? You can ask yourself. What do you want? Remember 95% people don't know what they want. So when you press this marma, now what is the purpose of marma? Also let me go a little backward. What is the purpose of marma? The purpose of marma is to develop Shakti. What is the purpose of marma? Shakti. Power. Power होगा तो सब कुछ होगा ना भाई साहब?
Yes, you stimulate your nerves.
You stimulate your nerves
Nerve
to do what? To give Shakti. हम हमारे अंदर शक्ति है. We are all powerful. We are born powerful. The only thing is we are disconnected. This marma helps you to connect. So now you have to be in Shakti position. You have to be in power position. What is power position? Now suppose, is this power? Is this power? Yes. Please be on your power position. Put your legs down. You should have a grounding energy. First of all, this Canada is windy city, windy country. Am I right? बहुत विंड है, डिजीनेस होता है, memory loss होता है, you lose memory, you feel dizzy, heart problem becomes bigger, blocks becomes bigger, no sleep, vata in the brain, confusion, irritation, anger, agitation. So this is wind. So what is wind? Dry, cold,
Hard sometimes.
and moves. Hot wind is pitta wind. So now vata, according to Meganji, she explained you, vata means wind, pitta means
Fire.
fire, kapha means water. What? Can you put this? Right.
Wind, fire.
Okay. Now, how do we reduce wind? We have to lubricate. Who can lubricate?
Ghee.
Ghee. Who said ghee? Please clap for this woman. I'm going to give you some secret in such a way you can't believe. So when my mother was not able to walk, what is happening? Vata. All pain because of
Vata.
vata. All burning, acidity,
Fever.
fever is because of
Pitta.
Pitta means fire. And all mucus, cough, cold is because of
Kapha.
allergy. Am I making sense to you now? You are getting the picture? What is vata? What is pitta? What is kapha? Because I'm teaching you so many things in this whole game. So my mother was not able to walk. They wanted to do knee replacement. Why? Because they said that there is some fluid which has disappeared. Am I making sense? Yeah. So when in your home, when your darwaja, when your door, they start making noise, what do?
You grease it.
You grease it. Wow, very good, very intelligent. So when your joint starts making it, why don't you grease it? You grease it. समझ में आया? हमारे बाप दादा क्या करते थे? बहुत होशियार थे. हाँ जी. So follow your great grandfather. Hindustan, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh. These are all coming from how many years? 6,000 years. And from 6,000 years, these ancient secrets are there. Modern system has come from last 100, 150 years. It's still discovering. I respect modern system because my all doctors, Dr. Giovanni is MD from Italy, Dr. Marian G, Dr. Hartmut from Germany. But they all are discovering that how to combine ancient knowledge and modern system to help people to live up to 100 years, full stop. I'm not against anything. You can do whatever you want to do, but then I'm sharing you some secrets. So I asked my mother, Mummy, what do you want? Again, do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My mother closed her eyes and she says, I want to walk. So immediately I took right hand, like this, take your right hand and do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These murmurs are very important. It is reprogramming. What it is?
Reprogramming.
Believe it or not, you and me are all programmed. When we were children, our parents were programming. When we become little bigger, who programmed? Teachers, then newspaper, then TV, and now internet. Your children, your grandchildren are more smarter than us. You ask them something, no, this is not correct, this is and they make us crazy. And we say, whoa, Baba, you are processing slow. They are processing fast. So, but they are not processing, but they are programmed.
Yes.
So, if you are in India, 5,000 programming comes per day. Or in Pakistan, 5,000. But if you are in Europe, 10,000. 10,000 programming, what to do, how to feel, what to do, everything. But if you are in America and Canada, 20,000. Very dangerous. How do you reprogram? How do you create your own space? We have lost our space. हम पागल हो गए, पूरी दुनिया में घूम रहे हैं. Restless. Wow, can you please clap for this one? No, she is realized. Restless is not a joke. Everything. Restless syndrome. Legs are moving, hands are moving, brain is moving, emotions are moving. How do you balance? How do you balance? How do you balance? How do you balance? What is restlessness? Vata, Pitta, Kapha?
Vata.
Very good. Very good. It's Vata. Confusion. So where is Vata? In the brain, in the mind. So mind is restless, emotions are restless, and people are changing relationship by relationship by relationship, thinking that something will come. Something will come, nothing will come. More restless will come. Interesting?
Yes.
Got it? Got the picture? Now the $1,000,000 question is, how do we ground ourselves? How do we become happy with ourselves? Relax. So other person also feels that ये crazy नहीं है या इसके साथ रहना चाहिए. Yeah, people are all over. Believe me. Yeah. Okay. So my mother, I asked, what do you want? You know, my mother, I told my mother, Mummy, because this was my perception, huh? Listen to me carefully. My perception was this, that my mother needs सेवा. हम सब माँ बाप बच्चों का इच्छा होता है कि हम सेवा करें. My mother said, my mother was Gandhian. वो कहती है, पंकज, I don't want your सेवा. I don't want you to clean my shit. I don't want, I feel very bad. I want to walk. Help me to walk. That will be your सेवा. मेरा दिमाग आउट हो गया. मैंने कहा, मैं हिंदुस्तानी बच्चा हूँ. I am going to do your सेवा for whole life. She says, no. This is my pain. First of all, I have got a physical pain. Second, I can't walk. Third, my son is cleaning my toilet. I don't want that. I want to be independent. Very good. Clap, clap, clap. Get this picture. Independent. Now, how does she become independent? So I wanted to know what she really wants. Then she goes into discipline and decision. All we decided, burning desire. Desire has to be burning. So my mother says, I would like to go. Now second question. So go, take a right hand and go in the second portion. Second portion. Very important. Now do it here. So it will go into your brain. Huh? Second portion dabaiye. ऐसे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I said, Mummy, listen to me, the question. You can ask to yourself. Whatever problems you have, you can ask. Mummy, if you have power to walk, I said, Mummy, તારામાં જો શક્તિ આવે તો તું શું કરશે? Or if you have a power to walk, if you get a power to walk, what would you do? What would you be? And what would you get? She closed her eyes. This murmur is very powerful. Have you ever heard about conscious brain, conscious mind, subconscious mind, and superconscious? Okay, so this is programming. From conscious mind, with this murmur, you consciously program your subconscious mind of what you want. And then the superconscious mind, you may call it superpower, whatever you call it. You can give any name. Huh? You can call it Christ, you can call it Allah, Guru, universal truth, whatever you call it whatever. But that superconscious will give you the power to achieve what you want. But the message doesn't go, nothing happens. Then you become restless. Am I right? So how do we have to first ground ourselves and then ask from superpower? So I asked this question, and then my mother says, if I got a power to walk, I would like to go to Himalaya. Where? Himalaya. My father, who was very much against me before he died, he became my patient. So he had a blood sugar, 600, went to coma. He called me afterwards. But at that time he says, what are you talking, Pankaj? She can't go to bathroom. How she goes to Himalaya? But then I said, okay, forget it. I did like this. You can do with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now reality. My mother lived up to 90. At the age of 82, she went to Himalaya. Yeah. How many of you have gone to Himalaya? Nobody. When you go maybe one day. After this murmur you can go. So my mother is in Himalaya. There is one place to another place. If you go on mountains, there are 2-3 methods. One, you go by walking, or you go by palki. Have you heard about palki?
Yes.
Or you go by horse. So my mother started already walking. I said, Mummy, now can I go and do my work in Italy, Germany, Canada, America? She says, go. So my mother goes to Himalaya. I send her with a group of people. There are 20-year girls, 40 years, 50 years, 60 years, 70, 72. But she was only 82. And everybody was taking palki or horse. And my mother started walking like this. Some woman, they came and said, Mataji, your son is such a big doctor, can he not pay you for horse? My mother was also strong. She goes like this, looks at her, that woman, and she says, my son can buy this horse. I choose to walk. Everybody reached from one point to another point about 6:30. They started 6:30 in the morning. 6:30. My mother is catching one water bottle because she likes water bottle. And I also gave her some herbs which I'm going to share with you. What I gave, which can make her strong. Huh? Yeah, this is programming. You are programming. Here is a heart. So when you do, yeah, not shoulder but little here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It syncs. The message syncs in the from conscious mind to subconscious mind, and from there it goes to superconscious mind. The whole game is about Shakti. Shakti means power. If you have power, you can do everything. Otherwise, if you have got pills, you only survive. So what do you want? You want pills or you want power? Power. So I am here for that. I know only this, nothing else. I don't know how to use my computer. I don't know how to use my telephone.
I have a question. Why 6?
Why 6 is very good question. We hold this question and put it in one bank now for 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. So now my mother goes like this. She walks. People are coming saying, oh, come, you can't complete this. She says, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She gets power. She again walks. People fall down. Determination goes away. Dedication goes away. So the 6 is the ancient secret of sinking the point into your subconscious mind. Subconscious mind doesn't catch. If you tell one time, I want to walk, I want to become free from diabetes, or I want to be free from blood pressure, or arthritis, or different kind of cancer. I want. But then they become fearful. Am I right? What is in life? There are 2 problems. You just write down. There are only 2 problems in life. One is ego, and second is fear. Right? Fear. So what do we give? We give power. So this gives power to face the fear.
What about insecurity?
Also insecurity. There are 6 kinds of fear. How many? 6 kinds. So, but all these things we should go and catch Salina. She has to bring this program next time in a bigger way. So I can teach you what are 6 kinds of fear, how to become fearless, how to face any fear, how to face fear of death, fear of old age, fear of poverty, fear of loss of loved ones. There are many fears, but then we have to understand. So let's go into now my Mataji, my mother. Is okay? For 5 minutes? Okay. So my mother, whenever something happens, she would say, I want to go to Himalaya. I have an opportunity to go to Himalaya. I am already in Himalaya, but I am not on the top. I want to go to the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She would do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Walk. Let people say what they want to say. People will otherwise also say. If you do good job, people will say bad things. If you do bad things, people will say bad things. The world is like this. World is pulling. You know pulling? We have got crab mentality. What it is?
Crab.
Do you know crab? My master says the whole world, including your relatives, family, everybody, we are all having crab mentality. You put a crab in one bucket and nobody puts like this, laid. What happens? One crab goes up, second crab. This is something different. That's why I said we have to be in 1%. What is this 1%? To know what you want, to achieve what you want, and to enjoy what you have achieved. Now, this woman, Salina, is working so hard from so many days. She has done such a good program, but somebody will say, अगर उसने ऐसा किया था तो अच्छा होता था. Somebody will try to pull. Salina should not be afraid. She should tell, fantastic, I have done the best job. One, do it. You have done the best job. Clap for her. Believe me, positive thinking, positive attitude, positive everything brings energy. So my mother goes like this. Now my mother reaches, instead of everybody was reaching 6:30 in the evening, my mother was there at 8:39 at night. And then she calls me, Pankaj. I said, what happened? She says, I am in Himalaya. I said, fantastic. She said, but listen, I did not use horse. I did not use palki. I used my legs. I started crying, she was crying. And then my mother says, I bless you. I bless you. Help all the mothers, all the people to walk.
How does this compare with willpower?
So now listen, what I gave to my mother. So you can write down. If you have got back pain, if you got stiffness, if you got tightness, if you want your joints to be better, simple remedy. Ginger powder, half teaspoon. Haldi powder, half teaspoon. Then methi, you know methi?
Yes.
What is it?
Methi means fenugreek, quarter teaspoon, fenugreek, quarter teaspoon. Methi, quarter teaspoon, quarter. Teaspoon.
I'm passing this sheet to you so you put your emails on it
Okay.
and we will send these to you.
Oh, good. I'll send you so many. This is
We
only
will send
beginning.
it to you.
This is
But
only
make sure your handwriting is
0.00001%
not
of what I am.
accepted. I need your
Okay.
handwriting.
Jira is referring.
I did not say cumin here.
No, Jira, it's Toro.
Zero, so
Jira is
as strong as you can write it.
So again,
little by little.
what did I say? Ginger, I said ginger.
Yes.
Okay, listen to me. Be alert. Now, if you lose memory, if you lose focus, there are two marma which I teach you and then we start. So, number one marma for focus. The quality of life, first you understand. Quality of life. Quality of relationship. Quality of anything on this planet depends upon quality of focus. Got it? Do you agree?
Yes.
Because what happens today? Our parents are saying to me, Dr. Naram, our children are not listening to me. How many of you have problems? They do what they want to do. They don't listen to me. And then children are saying, when I see teenagers, they say, our parents are not understanding us. किसका प्रॉब्लम है भैया? हमारा है. I have to be focused, no? If I am with my son 100%, done. Yeah. So I'm going to teach you this secret. Okay. Be with me like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now take a deep breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a chakra. It stimulates, and then your brain is totally at that place. Before seeing patients, I see every day 70, 80, 90. We had 95 people in Toronto. Today also I'm going to see some people and then fly. Today I'm having a pulse reading session. After this I'm going to see. But before doing that, I do this marma. Then, so now write down, and then I'm going to also share with you some more marmas which I have promised you. Memory also, concentration also, many things. So, ginger powder, not jeera. Ginger powder, half teaspoon. Ajwain powder, you know ajwain?
Yeah.
Powder, half teaspoon. Ajwain.
It's wild celery seed. It's wild celery
From
seed.
arthritis,
Wild.
osteoporosis. Haldi powder, half teaspoon. Methi, you know methi?
Yeah.
Quarter teaspoon. And cow's ghee. What you learned now, Cow's ghee, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. Yeah. Yeah, powder. Right. Yeah, powder.
Ajma was how much?
Ajmo is half teaspoon. Then also I gave her one formula, Darda Mukti and Sandhi Shakti. Darda Mukti, Sandhi. All these things, information I can send you. Okay, now I show you some marma which I can't send you. So this marma for joints. So after this, 4 fingers. This left hand,
Left hand, ring finger.
and the middle finger.
No,
and
ring
the
finger.
ring finger.
Where you put your wedding band.
Yeah, where you wear wedding band. One day I was there. He says, I have got 3 weddings. One wedding I did here, one wedding I did here, one wedding I did. I said, no.
We don't like 3 wedding stuff to around.
Okay, we don't. So 4.
None of the
He says
ladies
4.
are laughing.
Okay. Listen. So after these 4 fingers, from that you make 4 fingers and then you press this marma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, everything you are doing correct. Very good, very good. So this is a marma for
Arthritis.
arthritis. Speak with me. Marma for arthritis. Arthritis and the pain. Now also my mother had got back pain. So for back pain, you take your left hand like this, left hand, and this is the portion, right? Here. So you from this last finger you press 4 finger, and then this is the marma. This is the marma for back pain. 1,
From here,
2,
you take
3, 4, 5, 6.
5th finger.
Yeah.
This is where
Yeah. At the end, here. This how do you this edge? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't want to.
This
Okay.
is team.
Now I give you one last marma for eyes. I had glasses -2:45, -4:45. I still have glasses, but I don't use. I just keep it in emergency. I don't get emergency. So what my master said, always jokingly, have you seen rabbits? Have you seen rabbits wearing glasses? No. Why? Because they eat carrots. So write down carrots. Carrot juice half cup. Carrot juice half cup. Ginger juice 1 teaspoon. Ginger juice 1 teaspoon. Cow's ghee 1 teaspoon. Take ghee. If you touch here, it is hot. So you take ghee and you apply like this. 1. Apply with me. Go. Ghee लेने का, यहाँ लगाने का. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then press this button. Now this will help them to relax, grounding, and this becomes cool, and the eyeglasses goes down. And this is the marma for eyeglasses. Watch me and you can start doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. 6 times. Okay. So diabetes. My blood sugar was 14.5 A1C. Now it's 5.5. How do I do it? Write down. Haldi powder 1 teaspoon. Haldi. You know haldi? Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Amla powder half teaspoon. Amla. You know amla? Amla is not mango. Amla is amla. Amla. Kali jeeri 1 teaspoon. Write down. Kali jeeri 1 teaspoon. Methi, fenugreek 1/4 teaspoon. Fenugreek powder 1/4 teaspoon. Memory marma. Make a focus. Be with me. Haldi, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Amla powder half teaspoon. Kali jeeri is available. 1 teaspoon. It's very kadwa. Kadwa means bitter. And methi powder 1/4 teaspoon.